Off the pole. All right, we're off and rolling. This is your B main. A main, 17.5 truck. Wayne Gerber, Ron Mick, Justin Sackler, Kevin Broughton, Kevin Brown, and Rick Moore. You guys should be going through tech, lining them up. Shanowski got the hole shot. He's leading John Taylor in number 7. Keith Price in 3rd spot right now. Mackin in 4, Tony in 5th, Dale in 6th. Shanowski with the early lead, but not getting very far. He's only about half a straightaway ahead of John Taylor. Keith Price looking to make a move on Taylor. Let's see what happens here. They're racing hard for that 2nd spot. John moves over, Keith goes by, takes over 2nd. He's going to try and run down Matt. Now Karuba, Rogers, and Mackin at the tail end of the field. But Shanowski on a 65 lap pace right now. Keith on a 64.402. Taylor on a 64.403 right now. Results? A main 17.5 truck. You guys should be going through tech if you're not already. So Shanowski continues to lead, catching up to the tail end of the field right now. Shanowski starting to work over Chuck Mackin in the Petty Enterprises number 4 truck. Shanowski, the blue 31, Keith Price running 2nd. That's the copper number 4. Taylor in 3rd. Whoa, Mackin cuts the ice, and Shanowski will get around him. Now Keith Price has to deal with Mackin. Just a little over halfway, drivers, a little over halfway. Shanowski continues to lead. Price, Taylor, Karuba, Rogers, and Mackin. Minute 30 to go, drivers. Minute 30 to go. Shanowski starting to pull away ever so slightly now. Keith Price with the hot lap for the heat with a 365. Taylor with a 366. Shanowski 372. Karuba 374. Rogers 373. Mackin with a 369. Those are all early laps. 1 minute to go, drivers. 1 minute to go. And Shanowski continues to lead, trying to get a lap on Dale Rogers. On that 63 lap run right now. Rogers lets it go, but tries to get it back. About 30 seconds to go, drivers, 30 seconds. Seconds. Shanowski still out in front. Price in 2nd. Taylor 3rd. 15 to go. Five seconds to go. Shanowski's going to hang on for this one. Got a straightaway lead right now. Keep going, drivers. We'll call you done. Keep going. Everybody's done. All right, congratulations to Mr. Matt Shanowski taking the win in the 17.5 truck B main. Keith Price, 2nd spot. John Taylor in 3rd. Tony 4th. Dale 5th. And Chuck in 6th.